Well, today is the day I am beyond excited. I'm freaking out right now, and I'm probably gonna have my girlfriend film my reactions when I go up to the car for the first time, because this is seriously a dream come true ever since I drove this car in Italy a year ago on my birthday. The Huracan is one of the best driving cars ever. Top 3 best cars I've ever reviewed / driven: 991 GT3, McLaren 650S, and the Huracan. So yes, I decided to go with this. A bunch of my friends are meeting at this dealership. We're gonna pick it up, drive around. It's gonna be a hell of a day.
I can't find my way back to you.
Like 5 minutes from the dealership, freaking out. All my friends are there. Apparently, the dealership put do not touch signs on my car, and I've gotten nothing but pictures of people putting their hands and pretty much every body part on the car, taking sending it to me, but they're my friends, so it's fine. Every body part. Not actually, but I wouldn't be surprised if I get some weird stuff. Woo! We're getting close. My girlfriend's so excited, she's doing the Parker Nearstein handling test. I love it, I love it. Ah, so much excitement! Holy shit, I'm about to arrive at the dealership. I can literally see the dealership. Ah, it's outside, it's outside. Ah! I'm freaking out. Holy shit, holy shit. There's like a shit ton of people outside. This is amazing. Holy crap, holy crap, holy crap, holy crap. Ah, I'm excited.
Yo, it's clear broad, bro. You're good.
It's only clear broad to here.
Yeah, no, it's only go there.
What am I doing?
What you're doing is...
What is this? Oh shit! It's like Sweet 16. Where you like... I'm in the car for the first time. This is ridiculous.
I'm just filming the buttons. This is
filming the buttons?
You can sound edit over it, whatever. Here, look at me. Oh my gosh, that's a great thumbnail right there.
Yeah?
Yeah, it is.
Alright.
Oh my gosh, your steering wheel's like felted.
It's Alcantara? Excuse me?
It's, suck my dick. Excuse you?
Oh man.
How is it?
It's freaking fast as shit, dude. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, so cool. He had me crawling underneath.
Sorry, man. Why didn't you guys tell me I was coming through? What are you doing, man? I'm like 10 feet away.
Eddie, you're finally here.
It's a grip. He would always hit me like this.
I just work I hate him so much.
Why do you hate him?
Because he bought this shit. Whack.
What do you mean, man? You just got a brand new car. And you got a Mustang.
I hate him. Do you not see me? A lot.
Slightly.
Actually, a lot.
Slightly.
I don't see you. You see this gay thing right here? So I just showed up, and Parker's new thing is here, and it's rather green and very Lamborghini-ish.
Eddie, I'm already in on. I already got it. I already got it. Oh my god.
I bought a Huracan on.
No, you
I'm
didn't.
so freaking excited.
No, you
Eddie
aren't.
doesn't believe it still.
I hate you.
I'm taking Eddie for a ride. It's so fast, it's ridiculous. And time to shit on some Z06s. What's up? All right.
Let's do it.
I hate
Get
him
you guys
a
in a
lot.
couple minutes.
All right. Cool.
Go bathroom real quick.
Hashtag getting free gas. Thanks at Loft Untamed Dealership for the hashtag free gas. Who the fuck's in the Jeep? You're blocking my view. Excuse you.
Now he's got this.
Instead, he wants to hold it.
I'm gonna be like, fuck it, I'll just keep that my McLaren.
Look at that evil smile over there.
That should be your thumbnail.
Fucking smile. He just, I am the most expensive guy.
Now we're in. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. Done launch control a couple times.
You did launch control.
I did launch control. It was nuts.
Fucking asshole.
We had to head-to-head against Mark's GTR, and unfortunately it's faster. Gonna have to try it out against the supercharged LP560 and this kid's Z06. Eddie's pissed. Yes. We're gonna test out the audio system. I actually have no idea whether it's good or bad, but the Gallardo I had was horrible.
What the hell that mean? Oh.
I was like the Aventador. You toggle that up, start the engine, and then check this out. So on the steering wheel, we've got the driving modes. So currently in Strada, I haven't driven it in Strada yet because it's kind of boring. Sport, I've been driving it mostly in Corsa. Tightens up the shifts, holds higher RPMs, traction control settings are different, and opens up the baffles and the active exhaust. Check this out, reverse, we're gonna back this thing up, pull this guy up, and then it even has, this will be in a hate about video, a really, really shitty backup camera with horrible graphics, but it's way better than not having one at all.
What's your favorite reaction you've ever gotten?
People have thought I'm Justin Bieber, which is like after they've literally looked at me from a close distance, and I clearly look nothing like Justin Bieber. They're like, oh my god, it's fucking Justin Bieber! Just because I was in a Lamborghini, but I don't know, I gotta think about that. But for now, I can hear that Ariana Grande's on, so I'm busy. You wanna race?
Let's go!
Yeah!
Hey, we can trade whatever you want.
Right now? Well, this has been one hell of a crazy day. This car is everything I could have imagined and more. It's such a brilliant vehicle to drive. Like I said, top 3 best driving cars ever. This 991 GT3 and the McLaren 650S. Had some fun with friends. It was awesome having all my friends come out to the dealership. Got some insane reactions in the downtown area. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning right now and I'm still about to go out for a drive, and I figured out a customizable, all the little modes where you can switch it to full tachometer mode and then full navigation, and oh, the car's freaking insane. The steering is so incredible, the double clutch gearbox is so quick, and the crackles are absolutely amazing. I'm blown away with this thing. There's gonna be so many videos to come. Oh, thank you guys so much for everything. I'm so excited about this. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed, well, no, that's not possible. I've enjoyed this day so much, it's unbelievable. So I hope you enjoyed this video half as much as I did. Thank you so much for watching. Please browse our channel and subscribe. Look forward to seeing you next video.